Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com and the VR Gold Letter, and here's a little bit of a different format. Maybe we'll do more of this going forward. I was unable to put out a VR Gold Letter this weekend, and instead I'm doing this short video, and again, this might be a little more expeditious way of getting messages to you. On the screen we're looking at GDXJ, which is the Market Vectors Junior Gold Miners. As you know, I am bullish on the gold shares as I am on gold. And looking at the chart here, you can see three um, green arrows pointing higher. Those three green arrows are Leibovit positive VRs, and that tells me accumulation is taking place. I know we haven't seen any measured progress, but our stochastic, which is this indicator I'm circling here, has been an uptrend here for the last several months, and that's an internal show of strength and momentum. Let's look at some other vehicles here. GLD, which is of course the Spider Gold shares. I pointed this out to you in a letter a couple weeks ago. Positive VR on the monthly chart here. Stochastic is still in an uptrend, and to me it looks like a big base is forming. And what's most important, this was the first positive VR since the negative one, which was formed way back here in November 2012. Of course, there was one here back in 2011 as well. Looking at silver, on the monthly chart, still positive. Last VR was a positive one 2 months ago. As in gold, the stochastic is going higher, and this is the first positive VR since the negative one, which occurred well back there in May 2011. Let's look at palladium, which is one of my favorites, and it's been doing real well here in the last several months. As you can see, uptrending nicely. The most recent signal was a positive one, and that was way back in March. Meanwhile, looking a little toppy here. We've had a big run. Stochastic has turned down a little bit, so we may get a little bit of a pullback, but as you know, my basic feeling about palladium was when it took out that 775, 780 area, we had potential all the way into the 900s, if not back to 1,000. So if we do get a little bit of a pullback and a new buy signal, at least on a short-term basis, I'd be looking to jump back in. Hopefully this was some use to you, and have a great week, and we'll try to get a regular letter out for you next week. But please send me some emails at mark.vrtrader@gmail.com. If you prefer to see the videos, it's a lot easier for me than writing that letter, and I can probably get these out a lot more frequently to you. Have a pleasant day.